Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to add discount price on your Shopify store. So let's jump in. On the left hand side, you're going to go to your products, and from your products, you're going to go and have a look at the product that you would like to add this discount for. So let's jump into this tripod over here, and as we are traveling down, we will see our pricing. Now this is our current price, and what we want to do is we want to go ahead and make this price over here the same as our current price. And then in our current price, we want to add the discounted price. So here we may add $150. So now it will be displayed as follows. Was $200 with a strike through. Now $150. So let's go up to the top right hand side and tap on save, and we're going to go now to the left and we're going to tap on the online store, and just to the right we're going to see that little eyeball icon, and we're going to jump into our store so we can actually look at our product. So as we're going down here now, you can see quite clearly on this page, as well as when you go into the actual product, there is the original price, and here is the discount price. Now, if you want to learn more about Shopify, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of amazing content to help you learn and help you grow. We'll see you then. Cheers.